This video will show you how to update your Gmail signature. So go into Gmail and then go up to the top right. You will see a gear. Click on that. That's your settings. From there, you will see All Settings. Click on that. And then you are actually going to be in the General tab. There's all kinds of different tabs here. You're going to be in the General tab. So scroll down and you will see all of these different options here. You can do a signature. You can do, let's just go into sample, and I'm going to get rid of what's in here. You can create new, or you can adjust one that's already in place, and you can go ahead and talk, type in whatever you want, your name here, all of the different details that you want. This is where you can change the fonts. There's a small selection of fonts, or size, colors, all of that good stuff. You can highlight and you can create links. If you want to insert an image, and you tap on that, what it's going to do is take you over to your Google Drive. And this is what Gmail likes Google, so you want to make sure that your image that you would like to include is in your Google Drive. So you'll just go over here and then type in the file name. Or you can drill down by the folders and then go in, select your image, and then press select, and then you will see the image. It's going to come in. It might come in too large. Then just tap on it and select medium. Or small is too small, large is too large. So let's just go with medium. And then from there, you will take the next step, which is to connect that signature with an email address. So you can make it so that anybody that emails you to a specific address, that it is set up to reply from that specific address. It's going to be under Accounts and Imports. I'm assuming that you have already set up your checking mail from other accounts, and then also sending mail as. So basically, anytime that I have an email that comes into this email address, I have it set so that I will automatically send mail from that email address. So this is really a nice thing to be able to do. When you do that, then it will populate under the options that I'll show you next. So let's go over back to the General tab and scroll down. And then you'll see all of the different options here. And you just connect it to where you want it to come from. And then after you do that, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to mess up where my signatures are, but once you have it in place how you want it, then you're going to go ahead and scroll down to bottom, click Save Changes, and voila, it's done. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and send something as a test so you know that it's all set up correctly, and you are done.